Hello students, our next topic is square root. So in this section we will discuss how to find out the square root of the numbers, given numbers. So here it is a right angle triangle. Its hypotenuse is given 5 cm, perpendicular is 3 cm and base is x cm, this which is unknown. So we know the Pythagorean theorem, addition of square of base and perpendicular is equal to hypotenuse square of hypotenuse. So 5 square equal to x square plus 3 square. 5 square is 25 equal to x square, 3 square becomes 9. So 25 is equal to x square minus x square plus 9. 9 is transposed to left hand side, it will 25 minus 9 equal to x square. 25 minus 9 is 16, x square equal to 16. So what will be the value of x here? Then here we get x square equal to 16. So value of x is square root of 16. Okay. One thing, keep it in mind that x square and square root both are vice versa. So symbol of square root is like this. Okay. So this is the symbol of square root. This is the table. Here 1 square equal to 1, then square root of 1 is 1, 2 square is 4, hence square root of 4 is 2, square of 3 is 9, hence square root of 9 is 3, and square of 4 is 16, square root of 16 is 4, square of 5 is 25, square root of 25 is 5, and so on. You can pick 9 square is 81, so square root of 81 is 9. Square of 10 is 100, square root of 100 is 10. Okay, so square and square root both are vice versa. This was the table. So find out the square root. We have three methods. First one is repeated subtraction method. Example, find out the square root of 64 through repeated subtraction method. 1, 3, 5, 9, 11. All are the successive or natural numbers starting from 1. So first is 1, so 64 minus 1 is 63. This is the first step. Next step 2, next or successive number is 3. So 63 minus 3 is 60. This is the step 2. Next step 3, next odd natural number is 5. So 60 minus 5 is 55. Next is 7. So here it is 55 we get. So next step 55 minus 7 is 48. This is the step 4. Next is 9. So step 5, 48 minus 9 is 39. Next is 11. So 39 minus 11 is 28. Next is 13. So 28 minus 13 equal to 15. And in next step 15 minus 15 equal to 0. So here we get 0 in 8th step. So 0 we obtained 0 in 8th step. So square root of 64 is 8. 0 हमें मिला 8 नंबर स्टेप्स में. When you subtract successive or natural number, so square root of 64 is 8. Next, square root, find out the square root of 256 through prime factorization method. In this method we can find out the factors of 256 here. So these are the factors, as 256 is an even number, so it is we can take 2. So these are the factors of 256. Okay, so by pairing the prime factors we can pair these factors. So 2 2 2 2 ये सबको हम पेयर में किए, दो सेम नंबर्स को पेयर अप करना है. सो 256 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 because you have 4 pair. So 2 into 2, first pair 2 हुआ, then other pair is 2 into 2 and rest 2 pairs. So 256, square root of 256 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. Okay. First we have to find out the factors and then pair up. Next example is 90 a perfect square. 90 एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है या नहीं? For this we can find out these factors. Factors of 90 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. These are the factors. So the prime factors 2 and 5 do not occur in pairs. So here 2 and 5 are not in pair, but 3 are in pair. Two numbers of 3 are there, so 3 is in pair. So therefore 90 is not a perfect square because 2 and 5 are not in pair. Next example is 2352 a perfect square. If not, find the smallest multiple of 2352 which is a perfect square. Find the square root of the new numbers. Okay. These are the factors of 2352. As it is a even number, so we can take 2 as a factor. Then we can find the factors. These are the factors of 2352. Here we can pair of 2, 2 and 7. But 3 is not in pair. As the prime factor 3 has no pair, so 2352 is not a perfect square. 3 पेयर में नहीं है, so 2352 perfect square नहीं है. If not, find the smallest multiple. बोला है क्वेश्चंस में. So 3 is not in pair. If 3 gets a pair, then the number will become a perfect square. So we have to multiply 3 on both the side. Here 2352 into 3, and here we multiply 3. So as the pair. Now each prime factor is in a pair. Therefore 2352 into 3 is 7056. So 7056 is a perfect square. So square root of 7056 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Both are in pair. So value is 84. So square root of 7056 is 84. Okay. Thank you, student. Next we will discuss rest part of the chapter. Thank you.